My name is Roger McCown. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic. Well, I grew up as a missionary kid in Central America, Guatemala to be exact. So almost over 50 years ago, born there, missionary parents, so I grew up speaking Spanish and English at the same time. So I lived there for the first 10 years of my life and returned back at about age 11 or so to Central Texas. Grew up in Austin, went to high school there and then college in Abilene. Upon returning to the United States, my parents took me to see a movie about Gandhi. And so Mohandas Gandhi has had a big influence on me. He really wanted to change the world for the better through peaceful means and really to remove suffering. And so that's kind of been a big impetus and direction pull in my life. Growing up as a young child in Central America around a medical mission, I was surrounded by doctors and nurses, and that really captured my attention. And it was at that time, around the age of 9 or 10, that I knew I wanted to do something in the medical field. Wasn't sure what that was. As we moved back to the United States, got involved. Our family doctor got me into different surgeries in Austin, and so I became interested more in the surgical arts portion of medicine. Didn't really even then know that I wanted to go into orthopedics, but I had always really kind of known that medicine was the direction I wanted to go into from a very young age. The thing I enjoy about medicine in general is being able to help people alleviate their suffering and improve their quality of life, but specifically I think orthopedics is unique in that a lot of the things we do have such a sudden impact and change in someone's ability to move, walk, use their arm. If they have a broken bone, we can fix that pretty quickly. And there's a lot of rehab and process in the healing, but we can make an immediate change in a patient's quality of life. And I think that's one of the most rewarding things, is the immediacy of our impact on a patient. I think I'm a pretty approachable person. I think that's one of the things that I'm most proud of in the way that I've built my practice over almost 20 years now here in Tyler. I think that it's a relationship that I build with the patient, and a lot of the patients I take care of now were either young or some of them not even born when I got here, and basically through word of mouth and relationships I've developed with families, it's one of the things I'm most proud of.